Namaste. Many teachers don't know how to conduct the group work in classroom because we are doing the online format. We are doing online platform because many teachers are struggling to do the group work. How can we do the group work with discussion? Okay, the group children should discuss each other. So like that, how can we do the group work? So today I am giving you a training how to do this group work in classroom easily. Almost all teachers know how to use the Google Classroom, and they know how to use the Google Doc, and they know how to use the Google Form also they know. But with the coordination of these three things, we can do a class group work very easily. Okay, three things we have to join together. One is Google Doc, second one is a Google Form, third one to send this to the Google Classroom. Google Doc, Google Form and a Google Classroom. Combination of these three things, we can make a group work of this classroom. We can go to the video. Firstly, I told you this is the combination of Google Doc and Google Form and the Google Classroom. First, we have to make 5 Google Docs, each Google Doc to each group. I have already made one page for one group. Okay, the name of CV Raman. Here you can see the CV Raman Google Doc. I am opening this. You know how to make the Google Doc very easily, so no need to waste time. So this is one page for one group. I have given a name of a scientist to each group. First group is CV Raman group, second group is Isaac Newton group, third one Einstein group, and fourth one Madam Curie, Mary Curie group, and last one is Stephen Hawking's group. All are physics scientists. Okay, so I have given only to get some other knowledge, extra knowledge to the children. We are giving the names of scientists to each group. So I have made one Google Doc for CV Raman group, and top of this page I have given the name CV Raman group, and just below this I have given this historical theories about light, and below this heading I have given 6 topics. I have given here 6 topics, and when they are getting this page they will type about this topic. Each one will take each topic and they will type and send it back. Okay, this is our project. Okay, like this you make one Google Doc to send to the children. This one I completed. After this you take copies of this. Change only the group name and the photo if you need. Okay, I'm going to take the copies of this one. How many copies more? We have 5 groups, so 4 more copies I'm going to take. Okay, now I have made a Google Doc for all groups. You can see at the top all these doc pages. Now we have to do a Google Form. Go to the Google Drive and make a new Google Form in this Google Drive, and I am opening that Google Form. There you give a name, class group work physics. I have given the class group work physics the heading to this Google Form. And first when children are getting this Google Form, they have to get one chance to select their name. Now we have to make one name list of this class. Okay, so to enter the name we have to make one question. So add a question here. In the question box you type, select your name here, then just below you type all the children's name. If you have the typed version with you, you simply copy from that page and paste here. So now all the children came. So there are 30 children in my classroom. Okay, 30 children we can make into group 5 into 6. Okay, we can make into 5 groups. In one group 6 children. So now name list is ready. Below this we have to make 5 sections. In this section we have created name list. Below this we have to create 5 sections. Why the 5 sections? Because we have 5 group in class. Each group 1 section. Okay, how to create a section? You know that you simply click in the add section button. This is add section button. You click here, then just below the name list we go to 1 section. You can see section 2 of 2. Okay, and each section we have to give the name of that group also. First section is a CV Raman group. First group is a CV Raman group. First section we are giving CV Raman group. CV Raman group 1. Okay, just below this you have to create one title of this. One more title to add the instruction. To add this title you have to select this button in the toolbox. Simply click there. There you will get one title only. There in the title you type the instruction to the children. I have made the instruction for the children here. Instruction. You can make your own instructions according to your group work. Okay. This I made it only to this. So 1 section we have made. Okay. 1 section over for first group. So now we have to make 4 more sections for the remaining groups. I am going to take 4 more duplicates of this and simply selecting and changing the heading only. Means CV Raman group, after that Isaac Newton group, Einstein group, like that only changing the name. So how to take duplicate of the sections? You simply click in this 3 dot of this section. This is 3 dot. When you click there you can see duplicate section. Select that duplicate section. Just below you got one more section named same name. Okay, CV Raman. So you simply select and you select that name and remove that heading and add the new group name here and finished. Like that I am going to take the copies. Okay. Now I have made 5 sections also with the names of each group name. You can see here I have made this. When children selecting the name, they will go automatically to its group, their group automatically, and that we have to do now. How to make the children into a group, that we are going to do. So please listen carefully how to make this group. Children don't know in which group they are going to. Okay. You click in the name tile. This is name tile, and just below you can see required button. You make it this required, and just right side of this you can see 3 dot. You click in the 3 dot, then you can see go to section based on answer. So select that one. This is a very important step. Okay, go to section based on answer. According to their answer, they will go to the real group. Okay, their answer means their name. Select your name, then they will select their name, that is their answer. So when they selecting their name, when they selecting their answer correctly, they will go to the correct group which we provided to them. Continue to next section, just right side of the names, okay, with a down arrow here. So when you click there, you can see all the sections which we created now. See, first section is a name group section, name list. Second section is a CV Raman, third Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein. Like that, all sections you can see in each name. We have decided 6 children in one group. So I am going to select 6 children group 1. How to select first child? You select here. You can see all the group and selecting CV Raman group 1. Then that child is CV Raman group 1. Then I am selecting another child, another student, again CV Raman, and another child, again CV Raman group. Like that. This is three. Now 3 children I selected. Now selecting 4th. Okay. Now selecting 5th. Then now selecting 6th. So I selected 6 children into one group. Now I am selecting remaining children also into other groups. Now I provided a group to all children. You can see here all children got one group. I arranged this one. Okay. Now very easy. Now when children are getting this page, when they are selecting their name, they will automatically go to their group. Then only they know they are in that group. Next step is also very important. We are going to the first group. This is a first group, children's first group, okay, and this is a first section also. In the first section, just below this you can see a description option page, okay. This is in this place we are going to paste the link of CV Raman doc page. Open the CV Raman doc page. This is doc page, you know that. When you open the CV Raman doc page, just right side of this page there is one share button. Click on that share button. Click here the change to anyone with this link. Select here. Then you will get one page here, anyone with the link selected now. Okay. Just right side of the page also you can see viewer button. We have to change to editor button. Okay. Then only they can edit. Children can edit this page. Okay. Because they have to type in this page. No. Click the copy link. Now you can see link copied. Then done. We copied the link of this page. Now copied. Go to the Google form. In the first group, okay, CV Raman group link we copied. You check, you make sure we are just in the tile of CV Raman group. Just below this instruction you can see description optional. There you paste Ctrl+V, paste that link in that box. Now that link of that Google Doc came there. Okay, like that. You have to take the link of remaining 4 docs to in different sections. In Newton section you copy the Newton page link. In Albert Einstein section you have to paste that link of Albert group page link. Okay, like that. 4 more link we have to copy and paste. I am going to do that. Now I copied all the link of the Google Doc to the sections. You can see here Stephen Hawkins everywhere. I copied all the link. Okay. We are going to send this Google form to the children. Only this Google form. How to send? Through the classroom. Okay. Now we can go to the classroom. Now we are in the classroom and you can see the classroom 10A Physics 2021 classroom. We are opening that classroom and creating classwork and create one assignments. After clicking assignment, we can give the heading, and here I am giving 10 mark for each child. It is a group work, but each one we have to give the mark also. So new due date is there. You can give the date of whenever you are doing the group work, that date we can give here, and in the topic we can take a group work. And now we have to add. You know how to add the Google form. Click in the add button and select the Google Drive. It is in Google Drive, select the Google Drive. In the recent button you can see the page because just now we created and opened that page. Now you can see that page here. Okay, this is that one. Select and insert, or you can go to the Google Drive, My Drive. Okay, this is My Drive and go to the correct folder and select. So that page inserted and we are assigning to the children. Now assigned. Our work over. Now children, on the day of the group work, children will open, you give instruction to open the Google Classroom and tell them to open the classwork physics heading. They will open that. then each one will open this link. Okay, when they are giving their name, they will reach in the group. That also I will show you how to do. Now I am opening two children's page. Okay, going to the children's page, we can see this is one child of that class, and okay, this is another child of this class. So two children's page. In first group, I am opening only two students page who are in the first. So these children are in CV Raman group, and this is my page. And one more thing, teachers can open all the pages. The teacher should open the doc page. Why doc page? Because what children are doing we can see in the doc page. Okay, so teachers, you have to open that doc page when on the day of the exam, on the day of a group work. All purpose I have opened here. This is a teacher's view, and this is one student and this is another student. And in the instruction we have given the children should install Mote audio comment add-on to the Google Chrome or talk and comment add-on. Then only we can do this properly. And one more thing, teachers, when you start this group work, you are doing the class group work through the Zoom or Google Meet or any other platform like Team, okay, Microsoft Team, whatever it is. You tell the children to mute the mic, okay? Otherwise, whatever they are speaking, whatever they are talking or with the group members, all class will be heard. Okay, that's a problem. So tell them to mute the class. Mute the class means Zoom or Google Meet or that other any other platform, whichever we are using, you are using for the class, that platform, tell them to mute. Only that one. So first child is opening that assignment by clicking here. You can see class group work physics. When he is opening, you can see class group work physics. That Google form he will open or she will open. When that child is opening that Google form, it will ask select your name. Here you can see select your name. So the child will select her name or his name. Here I am selecting one child, she selected her name, then click next. Then now only she understood she is in the CV Raman group. Now she can see her group name here top of this section. See, CV Raman group. Just below there's instructions are there. Now she will start by clicking this document. There is instructions are there. She will read and clicking in the a document link. Then she is starting. I am opening other classroom also, other student also opening the classwork, and he or she is opening that Google form. At that I am asking the name. Then the child is opening her name. Then clicking next. Then she is also understanding that she is also in a CV Raman group. Okay, so she is selecting that Google Doc link. So now both of them opened the same sheet. Whatever she is doing here, and she can see other children also can see. Other children means in that group only. The other group children will open their own page. Okay, that page, whoever is opening that page, those children can see each other. Okay, whoever opening this Raman group, CV Raman group page, they can see whatever they are doing in the page. Okay, and one first child is starting. How they can start? Simply select any word in that page to speak. Okay, this child wants to speak something to other member, so that child is selecting one word in this page. See, I selected now here theory. You think now I am the child, okay? That student, I selected that theory one word, okay? Any word, no problem. Now I select the word. At that time you can see just right side one plus symbol. This is a add comment button, okay? Simply click there. the child is clicking there. At that time, one comment box will come there. That child can see the mode icon. Simply click on that icon, the recording started. The child is starting, okay. I will write down about classical India theory. Hello, and you start, okay. I am comfortable with classical India theory, so I will write down, I will type down the theory about the classical India theory, okay. She is doing, then done button click. Now this button, after that we have to click in the comment button. This will go to all pages, okay. In that group, how many are there, how many children are there, okay, to all pages it will go. And we can check this link has come there. I am opening the other page, other child page, it is here. See, it has come there. If she wants to send the reply, simply click just below here, then it will open, reply button will be open there, and that child also clicking on the mode and starting the comment reply. Now it is recording. Then she is clicking on the done, then it is go, okay, reply. Like that they can start their working, and when they are working, we can give, the children can give, you have to type, whatever you are typing, you have to type in blue letters or whatever. Some you can only for some change, color change, okay. So she is starting typing, okay, like this, she is starting typing. So whatever she is typing there, the other child also can see here. See, you can see. Now this is typed by the other student, okay. And at last they can complete their work by doing this. But as a group work, how we are doing in the class, direct group work, like that they can complete their complete work with the help of this mode, or with the help of this link page, and with the help of this audio messages, okay. Only these children can hear, only these children can see this work, and teacher also can hear and teacher also can see the work, okay. That is the method. Like this, teachers, like this we can complete the group work perfectly, like we are doing in the classroom. Okay, teachers, you practice. Don't worry how to do the group work. Don't worry, you can practice this one. You can do the group work perfectly in the classroom. Okay, teachers, whatever doubt you have, you can ask as a comment. I hope you understood how to do the group work in classroom.